vest up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it anytime you are seated. We do have 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead to exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, you will use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the rat strap to open the container. Remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in front, and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the rat tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. We're coming by to check to see. We do have life rafts up board. 2 in the cabin, 1 here in the front. Coming by to check to see that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat back and tray tables are in the full upright and locked position, and any carry-on items you have are completely underneath that seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet completely clear. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. This also prohibits and consume any
We are just a little bit delayed. We do need everyone to remain seated. We are not allowed to move the aircraft at all. If anyone is
remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Leave those tray tables in the full upright lock position. Those carry-on items stowed until we get to the gate. The captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution opening those overhead bins. Items tend to shift during flight and could fall out. If you have a connection here, please go out into the terminal. Check the TV monitor for the most up-to-date flight and gate information. Check those seat back pockets. So this is a long flight, so you probably put something away and forgot about it. So please go ahead, double check, make sure you have all of your belongings. Once you exit the aircraft, we cannot allow you to get back on. So earbuds, wallets, cell phones, keys, purses, anything extra that you may have left in that overhead bin, just go ahead and double check that for us. The front and back doors will be open for servicing, so we ask that you please remain clear of the doors. If you're monitoring any children, please make sure that they do not go near those doors during servicing. Thanks so much for joining us, everyone, and welcome to Houston. Back pockets. So this is a long flight, so you probably put something away and forgot about it. So please go ahead, double check, make sure you have all of your belongings. Once you exit the aircraft, we cannot allow you to get back on. So earbuds, wallets, cell phones, keys, purses, anything.